Winslet in Titanic, that too in 3D. And look at Shiva on the other hand. It's like Rudrama Devi is dating Katappa. I mean, bold, but way too old. Dear, you should look here. Your Bahubali is right here, man. Like, too much है सर. यहाँ घोड़ों को नहीं मिलती घास, गधे खा रहे च्यवनप्राश. I mean, कहाँ ये mid-year की double E और कहाँ वो year-end का DNM. But honestly, if Roseanne reminds me of light, Shiva reminds me of power cuts. And in a way, I'm thankful to power cuts. I'll tell you why, guys. There was this time when my wife was carrying, and I was in office having a chat with few of my colleagues. So one of them happened to tell me that, you know what, Ranjan, when my wife was carrying, she happened to watch this movie called Duplicate, and she delivered twins. The other guy said that when my wife was carrying, she happened to watch this movie called The Three Musketeers. She delivered triplets. Even before the conversation was over, I ran to make a call to my wife because that evening she was planning to watch 300. Thank God there was a power cut, and today I do not have an apartment full of Spartans wearing those short skirts. Now, just to give a heads up to our line of business partners, Pat, Philip and Jason, that two things that we celebrate here the most, they are the mid-year rating and the year-end rating. I'm just kidding, it's cricket and Bollywood. So when it comes to Bollywood, I was just wondering that what if we call all the weekdays in the name of famous Bollywood blockbuster movies? So for me, if I have to pick, Monday would always be Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. I'll tell you why. Thanks to the Sunday late night show, PK. So I'm a committed and dedicated employee, boss, so I make it a point not to fall sick in the middle of the week. I prefer the beginning of the week part, especially Mondays. So Monday morning I wake up with all that hangover and drop a text to my RM who dropped me home the previous night. There were other people. We were in a public place. So I drop a text to him saying that can't make it to work, not keeping well. So see the challenge with RMs, you know. People who have RMs and otherwise guys who are married, they'll know where I'm coming from. The challenge with RM is they'll not simply text you back saying that okay, take a day off or something. They'll call you back. And you guys know how tough it is to sound sick on a phone, on a call. So I go something like that, Bharat, I haven't even left the bed since last night. So he gets confused. Is that an alibi or some sort of an invitation? So now being RMs, they'll have their set of probing questions. That's what they get paid for, to ask all of them. So he'll start off. What happened, Ranjan? Flu? I remember what flu it was. 390s of Seagram's Blue. So, I mean, out of my great experience in not so many great things, I can tell you something for sure, guys. That in a situation like this, you should give them diseases, sickness, that they don't want to hear about. And keep it to yourself types. For example, stomach upset. So I go like, Bharat, सुबह से miss call जैसा हो रहा है Bharat. जा तो रहा हूँ, एक भी call लग नहीं रहा. भाई लगता है पेट का format करना पड़ेगा. Now they are the RMs. He's the RM, so he has to have rebuttal for everything under the sun. So he comes back like this. Ranjan, you don't worry, just make it to work somehow. Because you remember last week there is this other FLM from debit fraud, Arjun. He threw a party because he turned 18. He got his new voter ID card. So I also had this free ka biryani on that day. And next morning I woke up with this. Even though my stomach was upset, I was still managed to walk for the entire week. Thanks to diapers! Isko laga dala to life jinda dala. You don't even have to get up from your seat. I have a spare one, I'll give it to you. So thanks to all my misdeeds on Monday, Tuesday is always Badlapur for me. By Wednesday, a couple of audits are over. And you should see the place where I sit, because you know, someone like me will never leave an opportunity to have an opportunity in the quality scores. Because at the place where I sit, you guys know where do I sit? Don't say on the chair. I know that much. It's a location. I sit right behind Roseanne. So I process pretty much like this. So thanks to those unfortunate quality errors, Wednesday automatically becomes Hamari Adhuri Kahani for me. Thursday, we have a patch up with the RM Search Kati Bati. Friday has multiple shades. The day starts with Is Raat Ki Subah Nahi, as if like this day is never gonna end. By afternoon, it becomes Jism 2. Not for one-on-ones, it's like, you know, week-long fatigue and all that stuff. By evening, it's ABCD because of, thanks to this fun at work and stuff. Now, right at the time when we're about to get into this groove of Friday and about to log out, the FLM announces there is a connect with Ankit. Messenger of God. Saturday, I leave it up to you guys. You guys are already married, and most of you are already married, so you can decide pretty much what you want to watch. That could be anti-depression videos, inspirational videos, or anger management videos, your call. Because once I happened to ask Ankit sir, what's your favorite horror movie? The movie which scares you the most? He said it's his wedding DVD. So this brings me to an interesting topic, guys, about Ankit. Couple of months ago, we had this contest called Kaun Banega Sunny Ka Pati. Now when I say Sunny, I'm not referring to Sunny Deol. I hope you guys understand that. I'm not mentally retarded. So like most of us, he also participated in that, and somehow he made it to the final round. Now the twist was, this time it was getting hosted by, not Amitabh Bachchan, it was getting hosted by Nana Patekar. So Nana Patekar and Ankit Upadhyay face to face for the final round. It went something like this. अच्छा है, मेरे सामने तू बच्चा है. भगवान ने हाथ दिया लगे मांगने, आ गए सनी से शादी करने. बता मेरी उम्र क्या है? A 20 साल, C 30 साल, D 40 साल, I'm sorry, C 40 साल and D 50 साल. So he goes like, can I use my lifeline? उसे क्या मिलेगा घंटा? जॉइंट अकाउंट है क्या? कोई लाइफलाइन नहीं, तू बता. He goes like, I'll go with D 60 साल. सही जवाब. अच्छा है, पता कैसे चला? He says, sir, मेरे मोहल्ले में एक 30 साल का लड़का है और आधा भाग. So moving on, guys, we have our, in debit fraud, since we're talking about debit fraud, we have our senior manager, Mr. Yogesh Bhatia. Last week he was here. Thanks to him, Bharat has to come to office every day on time. So he was here last week, and he's otherwise very smart and dashing and intelligent guy, but of late he's suffering from this when I was in the US syndrome. So I just happened to ask him, sir, did you quit smoking? Ranjan, when I was in the US, I kicked the butt. I was like, okay, sir. The other day I saw him wearing a muffler, so I checked with him. Sir, what happened? I mean, in this month, I mean, considering the weather, you are wearing a muffler. Kejriwala virus or something? Said, Ranjan, तुझे पता है यूएस में कितनी ठंड रहती है? कभी गया है तू यूएस? तो आज तक कभी करनूल नहीं गया. Now, before I come to a conclusion, let me just quickly share an interesting incident with you guys. So we were having this, what do you call it, that's run-up events for last few days. And day before yesterday, I happened to participate in one of them, wherein which I sang a song in a feminine voice. Somehow all the guys seem to have loved it. I mean, by the end of the same evening, I received 50 new friend requests on Facebook. All from guys. 2 out of them were from Uday sir alone. So I went back and checked with him, why two, sir? So he said, see, one obviously is from my side. The other one is from Gaurav's side. Apparently, he was too shy to ask me out for a coffee with some boiled eggs and stuff. So. Now, I was flattered, I was really happy, but at the same time, I was scared also, honestly, guys, because I knew that eventually, sooner or later, he would come to know that I don't have things what girls have. No, hang on, I'm talking about those pepper, chili, garlic sprays to put on the toilet. Then what? But with a spicy thought, it brings me to an end of my act. This was wonderful performing in front of you guys. Thank you. Do enjoy the rest of the week.